We're going to talk about feelings today, and the reason we're going to talk about those is because I want you to know how your feelings can actually put you in alignment with God, the divine consciousness source, how they can help you manifest anything effortlessly, easily, and more. So stay tuned and watch this video because you're going to see that actually you have such incredible power over your reality. Let's begin. So my question to you right now is, what emotion do you feel right now? Just tune in, close your eyes. What's the emotion that you feel most strongly right now? You might have many, but what's the most dominant one? Now, I really strongly suggest that this become a regular thing of yours. Do a check-in multiple times, especially it should be a ding, ding, ding when you have a feeling that is not one you want to be feeling. Overwhelm, depression, insecure, doubtful, unworthiness. Like, what is that feeling? If it's a bit on the lower scale and you just wish you didn't feel like that, that's your cue to tune in and really label what it is. Before I get into the whole thing of why these emotions matter, I want to give you just a real tidbit. What are emotions? Did you know that you can't hold an emotion, right? It's not a physical thing. Emotions are waves of energy, and they are waves of energy at different frequencies. So you might have an emotion that's like this, you might have an emotion that's like this, and normally the lower the emotion, the lower the frequency. So that's why you notice that when you're kind of depressed, you don't really want to move and you don't have motivation to do anything, and thinking of going out and getting that promotion or writing that book you've always wanted to write, or phone that friend that you really want to get together with, or whatever. You don't have the energy. Why? Literally, you don't have the energy. You're really slow. Now, on the other end, if you're vibrating at joy, tell me something. If you're feeling the emotion of joy, let me tell you, the frequency is like this. It's not a scattered schizophrenic, but it is so fast and clear of an energy. And joy will make you feel like you can take on the world. Do things, whatever, who cares? Let's do it. Come on, who cares? I haven't done this for a while. Let's go. You have energy. Literally, you have energy. Okay? So now, the energy frequency that you really want to be vibrating at, that is most supportive of you and feels the best, is like love, gratitude, joy, peace, and what we call 0 point energy. This is a neutral energy, but is the highest vibrating frequency that exists. This is the energy that is divine consciousness. This is the energy that is everythingness, that makes up everything in the world, including you. A lot of times you can feel it in meditation after you've been doing meditation for a while. This is that 0 point energy. This is what I merged with. It's almost coming up to 8 years now. Let me tell you, it is a state of everythingness and nothingness. It is the realm of pure potentiality. And as soon as you make an intention, that's that programming. You're programming the energy, and it gets into action so that it will create it into physical reality. That's the way this energy works, okay? So let's go back to our example of energy waves. You're way down here, and I'm going to insert an image that shows the different frequencies of different emotions. That's the vibration level. So that's the energy level that you're vibrating at, okay? The waves, right? These emotions have these different frequencies, and that's what you're vibrating at. Most people are living at a vibration down here, yet they're begging for more money to come. What happens is that you say you want this, and you are this energy, so you could create it like this, but you have this lower emotion that has beliefs attached to it. And these beliefs are what causes a contradiction. So you're putting out into the universe, I want this, this would be amazing, this would be great, but I don't deserve it. Having that is actually bad. Who are you to ask for that? And you create conflicting energy. And so you're never getting what you want to get. And that makes you feel even worse. So then you stay down here, but you still keep asking. But it's a never-ending loop. And so what we teach here at The Elegant Life is how to put processes into your day so that you are most consistently focusing on alignment, peace, joy, love, gratitude. You stay in those frequencies and you have no conflicting. And if you have a conflicting, you know what to do to rid yourself of that in the moment so that you keep being consistent, okay? When you're consistent, most of the time, the most dominant emotion within you, that is going to allow whatever you've asked for to come into your life easily and effortlessly. That is when you're going to feel really good. That's why people say, Erin, you're a bundle of sunshine. You glow. Why? Because that's my dominant frequency. It's just me. I'm not trying to do it. It's just who I am. But the key point of this video, and I want you to make this sort of your elegant assignment for this week, is to let your emotions be your guide more than your eyes. Let me say that again. If you allow your emotions to be your guide in life, more so than what you're seeing, you will be ascending into those higher level frequencies of pure potentiality. Feel the emotions. Check in. How am I feeling right now? In the morning, midday, how am I feeling? Nighttime, before you go to sleep, how am I feeling? Before you're gonna walk in the house after work, how am I feeling? Okay? A really quick way right now, without going into a big long dissertation about how to raise the frequency, is to simply say some affirmations. I am full of vitality and energy. I vibrate at the frequency of love. I vibrate at the frequency of joy. I vibrate. And if a little doubt comes and says, no, I don't, then I want you to just change it to be a little more general, something that you can accept, and say, I choose to. I choose to vibrate at the frequency of joy. I choose to vibrate at the frequency of peace. I choose to vibrate at the frequency of love. How could you make this kind of routine of checking in with your emotions a habit and a routine or a ritual? That's my question for you. So go out there, make it an elegant week using these strategies, and we will see you next time. Mwah!